how to make Excel formulas calculate the values automatically. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily make your Excel formulas calculate the updated values to get accounted for and calculate the value automatically. So for example, I have this sample database right here, and in this particular data you can see this particular column of total price. So it represents the total price of each and individual articles ordered by different customers with different order IDs. So if we will focus on to this total price column, you can see that we have the sale of these different articles with different costings or different pricings. Now here you can see this is our total revenue that we got by selling all of these products. Now for example, let me update any particular value, and just before that let me make sure that I have used the sum function or the sum formula in order to calculate the values from the cell G2 all the way to the cell G11. So now let's update any particular cell and see if this value also changes or updates automatically. So as currently you can see that this value is currently 300 rupees. So let me double click onto this and let me change it to, let's say, 3000. And now if I will hit the enter button, you can see that this value is not changing. Even if I add one more zero to this, you can see that this value, the total value, is not changing. So let me show you how you can fix this. You can fix this by going to this formulas tab at the top of the ribbon, and then from here you can see under the calculation section this option of calculation options. So simply click onto this calculation options, and from here you need to choose automatic, which is the first option. So simply choose automatic, and then here you can see that the value just updated itself. So let's try to update it one more time, and let's update it to, let's say, 30. And then if you will click enter, you can see that the value has been successfully updated like this. It also works on different cells as well, and here you can see that the value is adjusting according to the price change in this particular column. So that's how easily you can make your formulas to adjust the values automatically in Microsoft Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.